Now, this is how you can update your iCloud password on your iPhone. Let's get started. So you should know that iCloud is basically tightly associated with your Apple ID. So if you get an Apple ID, you automatically get the iCloud services. You get 5 gigs of iCloud storage and you can just start using it. So what we technically want to change is the password of the Apple ID. And this can easily be done directly in the settings of your iPhone. So what you need to do is to open up the settings, and then entirely at the top you can find your name right there. And when you click on it, more options appear, and proceed by clicking on the sign in and security. So when you click on this, again, you need to wait a bit for the things to show up, and you can find your name and phone numbers and stuff like this at the top. But below it, you have the security. We can find the two-factor authentication, but naturally, change password is right there. You just have to click on it, confirm your face, and there might be a security delay required to change the password. That is, of course, due to the security reasons. So if you want to, you can start it and wait an hour for you to be able to change the password, right? That is if you do it a little bit too often, or it just might happen randomly. But essentially, you can start the security delay, and after an hour after this runs out, you can return to the same page and then have the ability to switch to a different Apple ID password, which also is connected to your iCloud. So that's it from me. I honestly hope that I could help you with this issue. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it helpful. And for more tutorials, do not hesitate and click the subscribe button, and therefore you will not miss the future uploads. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.